Hey future web developers! In our last lesson, we learned about navigation links and the tag. Today, we'll learn about headings and paragraphs, the building blocks of any web page. By the end of this lesson, we will add a heading and a short introduction to our portfolio website. We will also learn how to format our text. Let's get started. In HTML, headings help structure your content and make it easy to read. There are 6 levels of headings, from H1 to H6, where H1 is the largest that can be used for main title, and H6 is the smallest that can be used for subtitles or small labels. Now see it in action. Open your index.html file in Notepad++. Inside the body tag, after the nav tag, remove all code and give some headings to our portfolio. Use H1 for your name. Use H2 tag to give a subtitle under your name. Let's see how it's looking in the browser. Wow, it is looking amazing. Now that we have given our main page headings, but what about the description? That's where paragraphs come in. The P tag is used to write any text content. Browsers automatically add some white space before and after a paragraph as shown here. Let's add a paragraph after our headings. Let's add one more paragraph. Now see it in action. We have 2 paragraphs below our headings, but don't you think it is looking boring? Formatting helps make text stand out. Imagine reading a book where everything looks the same. It would be boring. We can bold text for important words, italic for emphasis, underline text for attention and highlighting the key points. Let's learn how to use them in HTML. Want to make text bold? Use the B or strong tag. B makes text bold without meaning. Strong makes text bold and gives it importance. It is good for SEO. Want to make text italic? Use the I or EM tag. The EM tag provides meaningful emphasis, which is recognized by screen readers, while I only changes the appearance. Want to underline text? Use the U tag. But remember, it can be interpreted as a link, so use it carefully. Want to highlight text? Use the mark tag. It will make your text stand out. Now, let's update our portfolio webpage by adding formatted text. Let's make this word bold. I am writing amazing as italics. Let's highlight our expertise. Refresh the browser and see the difference. Now it's your turn. Add another paragraph to introduce your skills. Try using H3, H4, H5 and H6 and see how they look. Write a short bio and format important words using B, I and mark tags. Don't forget to comment when you are done. In this video, we have learned what are paragraphs and headings in HTML, different tags for headings, and how to format the text. Next step of our web ladder is to study about lists for more better formatting of text. See you there. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you don't miss any of our exciting lessons.